Hey everyone! Welcome to New Wave Cooking, a zero waste online cooking school by me, Chef Joe. In this week's zero waste cooking class, we will be making, as a starter, some carrot peel pakoras, and the main course will be naan with pulled jackfruit, coleslaw, guacamole, can you guess what it is? And roasted quinoa. The zero waste trick this time will be using the carrot peel for the pakoras, and the carrot itself will be in the coleslaw. Also, it will be gluten-free because the pakoras are made with chickpea flour. It's gonna be good. Sign up to this week's cooking class on my website to make this delicious meal with me. Let's right away! Alright, so here we go. Carrot peel pakoras. It's actually not really a starter, but more of a snack or apero. And just a zero waste tip, I used some reusable kitchen roll papers. So this is not usual paper, that's not necessary. Enjoy those delicious crunchy pakoras. Yeah. That's good. Okay, so for the oil, I'm obviously not gonna throw it away. I just fried once in it, and as long as there is no burnt bits in here, they're all just brown, I can still use it. So later I'm gonna filter it through the sieve, and then next time I'll use it again.
Hey Runa, do you like the cooking class?